Hello guys, I'm greeting you on our channel, and today I will tell you and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $515. And our first step, go to the application. If you didn't have the application, follow the link in the description that you can to download the application from the official site or support us and support our channel. And after that, go to the application. If you have an account, then log out of it. After that, you need to click registration up there. You will see 4 variants for registration. I will choose in one click because it will be faster to show you how to correctly activate the promo code, but you can choose 3 other variants or in one click too. Tap there. In menu, your current country, you need to choose your current country. Mine is United States. Current value $3 and select your bonus on sports or on casino. I'm usually choosing sports, but if you play in casino, choose casino. Accept. Enter the parent promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and tap there and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. Wait loading. Alright, it will be easy for us. Yeah. And after loading, we will see our login and password. I recommend you to change it right now or screenshot as a file and change it for didn't lose your big bonus. Tap next and go to our final step and third step, in account deposits menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, thank you for watching our video. Thank you to your support our channel. If you want to support us more, then follow the link in the description that you can to do this. And if you have any question, then ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Goodbye and good luck. So have fun.